Here's the ugly truth. You're gonna have to estimate repair costs like a pro. The first thing you wanna do is you're gonna have a home inspection. The home inspector is gonna give you a whole list of items that need to be fixed and dealt with. They're gonna range from severity of 1 to 10, 10 being you can't get insurance, and 5 probably get away with it, and 2 minor switches, dents here and there, something cosmetic. You wanna consult with experts such as contractors, home inspectors, and real estate agents to give an accurate estimate of those repairs that are gonna come ahead. Make sure you're aligning yourself with an agent that has experience in this market and could tell you exactly what that's gonna cost, or put you with the right contractor so you don't buy something over your head that's gonna be a lemon later in life. Save this video for later.